Hi, I'd like to introduce you to my friend Charlotte. Charlotte is a chicken. It's my chicken. And Charlotte's really special because she's a survivor. She's actually a chicken refugee. Um, she was part of a brood of about 12, well, exactly 12 chickens. Uh, and when the soup people, Glenn and Rudy, came to take the chickens on the 3rd of January, they took 11 chickens. They thought they had 12, but they took 11. And I came back a couple days later to the chicken coop, and here's Charlotte sequestering. She's doing her own self isolating since the 3rd of January, and she's pretty good at it. This is her chicken coop, although it's really a chicken palace because I built it for 24 chickens. And I think about Charlotte every day. Of course, I come out to get an egg, so why wouldn't I? And I'm thinking about the lessons that chickens can teach us, especially gardeners. And I'm thinking, well, one of them is patience. They take their time with things and they tend never to be in a hurry, unless, of course, they're being chicken. They think they're being chased. That's different. They take only what they need. There's a lesson there about consumption. They peck away and they do their thing, but, they don't complain much. As long as there's no rooster in the hen house, they seem quite happy. And then I'm thinking, too, about how they give back. They always give back. And I'm mindful this morning of all the gardeners who are starting community gardens right now, or maybe their own garden. They're going to grow some food that they're going to give to the local food bank or to neighbors, maybe some seniors that are shut in. And they're going to share that. And, of course, I get one of these every day. How's that for giving back? Charlotte, thank you so much, Charlotte. We love you. And soon you're going to have company, another 12 little chickens. I hope you get along. I hope you have a great day. Ben and Mark Cullen, markcullen.com. Lessons from a chicken.